Replace toner, understanding and acting on this common printer message. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in office settings or while using a printer: replace toner. This phrase is not just a simple instruction. It's a gateway to understanding how printers work and what actions you need to take when you see this message. So, let's dive in. When your printer displays "replace toner," it's telling you that the toner cartridge, which contains the powder used for printing, is either empty or not functioning properly. Toner is crucial in laser printers for creating the text and images on your paper. Unlike ink, which is liquid, toner is a fine powder. Choosing the right toner is essential. Each printer model requires a specific toner cartridge. Using the wrong one can lead to poor print quality or even damage the printer. To find the correct toner, check your printer's manual or model number, usually found on the printer itself. Replacing the toner is a straightforward process. Here are the steps. 1. Turn off the printer and wait for it to cool down. 2. Open the printer cover to access the toner cartridge. 3. Remove the old toner cartridge carefully. 4. Unpack the new toner and shake it gently to distribute the toner evenly. 5. Insert the new cartridge into the printer. 6. Close the printer cover and turn the printer back on. Sometimes, even after replacing the toner, the message might still appear. Here's what to do. Check if the cartridge is properly installed. It should click into place. Reset the printer. Sometimes printers need a reset to recognize a new cartridge. Check for compatibility. Ensure the toner is the right one for your printer model. We hope this video has been informative and helps you confidently handle the "replace toner" message. Remember, handling printer maintenance like replacing toner cartridges is an easy but vital skill in both personal and professional settings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Happy printing!